Well, hello everybody, it's June and this is a bit of an update of the garden. So the bougainvillea that I kept over the winter in the conservatory is looking beautiful. It's not very big, but it's still very colourful. And the agave is doing very well. It got through, as I said before, but yeah, it's looking quite splendid now. And here on the patio, the fuchsia was cut back to the ground, but now it's about to come into flower, so that's going to look really pretty by the seating area. And then we'll go out a little bit. I've been busy with one of the palm trees, the Chusan palm. This is one of them that flowered seeds, and I'm debating whether to cut them off, but I've actually, if we come up to this one here, I've actually cut the seed heads off the big ones. These, if I can focus in, these are ones for this year, but the ones last year had very big sort of grape-like berries, or seed heads, seed pods, not quite sure what we'd call them. Anyway, I've cut them off because they drop on the ground and then they just grow like little pieces of grass everywhere, which is nice if you want more, but I've probably got enough, because if you look behind this one, I have two growing here. Basically, I have an abundance of palms now. So the papyrifus is doing wonderfully. I actually forgot how big this got, and I planted a rose bush in here which is trying to bolt. So I think I'm going to have to dig that out and plant it somewhere else, because it's just not in the right place. It's too dark for it. And the little geraniums, I love these. They like a bit of shade, so they're happy as Larry there. And panning round, you'll see the fish. They're doing really well, and I've managed to clean both the filters on my own this year, so I'm really chuffed with that. And there's lots of air going in, so fingers crossed they survive through the summer. They're looking quite happy. I planted up this little feature just to have a bit of colour, summer colour. That won't last, but it's quite nice. And then I bought this little these little lilies. I thought I like those arum lilies. So that's a little update from me. Oh, and a couple of other things. This is looking lovely now. The Lavatera's out in full colour, and these, I don't know what these are called, but they look beautiful. But they are encroaching into the garden now, so when they finish this year, I'm going to have to dig some up and then move them further back into the garden over here where they were originally. Likewise, I have bluebells here that started off in the bed and have come out gradually. So this bunch here that you can see, I'm going to dig up today and move them back over here to try and keep them back. So yes, that's the update. The little bonsai tree that's about 50 years old, that's doing all right. It's in the shade and it's watered with the irrigation system, so that's liking it there. And then finally, the Indian bean tree that you saw me pollard in the winter. This is all growth from this year, and I like it because it gives a dense cover, nice bit of shade. So that's it from me, and I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.